How to change your country on the Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your country on the Google Play Store quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Play Store on your device, and once inside, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Now, once you are inside the Payments and Subscription section, simply tap on Payments Method. Now, scroll down and tap on More Payment Settings. And this will open a new tab in your web browser with your Google Payment settings. And once on this page, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner, and from there, you can simply go to Settings. Now scroll down until you see country or region, and once you have located that option, simply tap on the edit icon beside that and then tap on create new profile and then hit continue. And here you can choose a new country. For example, I will select Canada. And after that, press continue and enter your name and new address for that country. And that's it. With that, you will be able to change your country on the Google Play Store. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.